everybody and happy Thanksgiving. Mom's here. She would also like to say, you gotta say hi. You don't have to speak?
Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving.
Anyway, so I am here at Mom's filming this video. We have been working this morning. So it is Thanksgiving, which means that our sale is going to be beginning tonight. So we are participating in the Ultimate Planner sale. Black Friday / Thanksgiving / Cyber Monday sale. Also, I apologize for the light. I don't normally film here and this is kind of the best that we could get, but I want to just kind of go over everything. I want to show you guys the freebies, the new releases. If my camera would focus, that would be wonderful. So to start, I want to tell you guys everything that is going on. I do have these graphics posted on Instagram, the Facebook group. They'll be going out in the email, and then they are also on our web, well, 2 of them are on our website. So I want to just kind of go over everything really quickly. So here is the first graphic. So this is just the freebie graphic. I'm going to show you guys the freebies here in a second, and then I do also have some freebies that will be starting on Friday, so tomorrow. Next graphic, so tonight we will be having our Power Hour sale. That's going to happen from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then none of the codes will work from 9 p.m. until tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then let me get to the main graphic here. So this is the one that is available on the website. So for the weekend sale, so Thursday, which is tonight, we will be doing the 50% off Power Hour. These tiered freebies I'm about to show will still be part of that. The mini kits that are coming from different shops, those don't start until tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then Monday, the first 50 orders will be receiving a scratch off card. And then we will also have a 2-page foil mini kit for orders 50 plus. I'll post that graphic on Monday. And then all weekend, we're doing 40% off. That starts again tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The first 30 orders over $25 will receive one of the micro kits that I'll show you guys in just a second. And then also the tiered freebies that are starting tonight that I'll show you guys in just a second. We also will have free domestic shipping for orders over 75. That is for all 3 days. I didn't update that correctly. And then our processing time for this sale is 2 to 3 weeks. I think that's it. I am going to hopefully fix this lighting, and then I will show you guys the mini kit options for the freebies over 25 that will be beginning tomorrow. I'm gonna see if I can fix this light. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for the shadow that is happening, but I don't know how to fix it. Okay, it's literally coming from the tripod. Why are we not, there we go. So for the freebies, you will get one of these 3 from, we've got Fabulously Planned, Pookie Bear Cuties, and Bean Sprout Paper Co. So these will start Friday 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for orders over 25. That is after coupon but before shipping, and that is for all the freebies. And it'll just be random for one of these 3. I also didn't realize Michelle sent over these smaller freebies too. Why will my camera not focus? There we go. So for these, I'm just gonna throw these into random orders because I didn't realize that these were coming. So these will just go into random orders throughout the weekend. But for the first 30 orders placed over 25, we have got this kit here. This is from Bean Sprout Paper Co. Super cute, gold foil. And then we've got the second page here. I'm gonna kind of just go through these quickly because this is gonna be a longer video. Next is from Fabulously Planned. This is a 2-page kit as well. Super, super cute. And then from Pookie Bear Cuties, another 2-page mini kit, really adorable as well. So yeah, if you're interested in any of those, first 30 orders starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, over 25, after coupon, before shipping. Okay, next is, I'm gonna go ahead and show our freebies next. So these all 3 do match one of the new kits. The full boxes though are not in that kit. They are a different full box set from those. And then the Cyber Monday mini kit is gonna match this as well, and it's gonna be different full boxes too. So for all orders, come on camera. I don't know what's happening. There we go. For all orders, you will get this freebie right here. That is a script freebie. All of these will be gold foil. And then for orders 25 plus, we have got this little full box freebie. And then for orders 50 plus, we have got this sampler freebie that has the icons as well as the scripts. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I feel like this is a lot of stuff to go over. So we have got 4 new collections for Thanksgiving weekend, which I'm super excited about. That is a huge release for us. And then we have a brand new micro kit format. I've been getting asked about micro kits. And I decided to go ahead and reformat it so that more people could use it. I know that the original format kind of only worked in the print impression weeks, which was what I designed it for. The new one though will work in any vertical planner, any standard vertical planner, or it should work in any standard vertical planner. That is what the sizing is. So the first kit that I've got here is called Be Mine. I know this lighting is not ideal for foil, so I'm just gonna kind of do the best that I can. So there are 2 Valentine's Day kits for this release. So we've got your full box sheet here. I really love how all of this came together. Here's your second sheet. You have got your boxes, functional deco, bow checklist, your scalloped banners, some appointment labels, and some ombre bow checklist down at the bottom. Your next sheet has got your headers, you've got washi, boxes, and then your last sheet has got your bottom washi, your bow washi, your date covers, flags, arrows, daily tracker, and weekly tracker. And then I'm gonna go over one of the micro kit formats just so that you guys kind of know what is in them. And then for the rest, I'll just kind of flip through. So this is the Be Mine micro kit. So they are still 2 pages. They're gonna be $9.95 for the 2 pages. And then, well, I guess let's just go through it. So your first sheet here has got 3 full boxes, so that is a change. And then we have got, I kind of tried to just condense this version because I know that the old micro kits, the second page wasn't foil and they weren't really just a miniature version of a kit. So that's what I tried to do here, was just make a mini version. So we've got 3 full boxes. You've got 3 of these smaller boxes, 6 of the more quarter-sized boxes. You still have all of your bow checklist. You've got 2 of the 2 bow ombre bow checklist and 2 of the 3 bow ombre checklist. And down here at the bottom, you've got 1 row of your functional deco. So there is that. And then your second sheet, you've got 4 of these really tiny boxes at the top. You've got some washi. You've got 1 row of headers. Or you could use that as washi if you wanted to, but they are cut header size. And then you've got your bottom washi and your date covers. So this is what I came up with. You guys can let me know in the comments below how you feel about the micro kit. If there's anything missing, if there's too much of anything, you guys let me know and I can kind of keep playing around with it. But I think this will work out really well, and I think that I'm going to film a plan with me using one of these in my cloud here in just a second, and maybe try to get that up in the next day or 2, just so that you guys can see it. So that was the Be Mine collection. There is also the option for these for you to do, let me see if I've got any sitting right here. These are probably gonna be the wrong color, but just so that you guys can see. We do these now so that you've got the option in the drop down to get icons or scripts or all 3. So this foil isn't gonna match, but just so that you guys can see. So you can either do base kit, you can do base plus the ombre heart checklist, or you can do the base kit plus the script sampler. The foil would obviously match. Or you can do the base kit plus your icons. These are all on clear paper. Or you can do the base kit plus the icons plus the script sampler. So those options are available on the website. So that was the first one. Next is another Valentine's Day kit. So this one is called XOXO, and I love this one. So here is the full box sheet. I think that these are super cute. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer. This one is also gold foil, and there's just the little detailing with the hearts in a lot of these boxes. That's how I did Be Mine as well. And then you've got 2 of the quote boxes. One says all you need is love, the other says XOXO. And then your second sheet has got your boxes, checklist, scalloped banners. Next sheet has got your headers, washi, and then the last sheet, this is what I love so much. So this is your bottom washi sheet. I hate that the lighting is so bad. So you've got these like conversation heart candies, and I think they are so adorable. So that is your bottom washi sheet. And then for your micro kit, that is this right here. I can already tell this lighting is really bad, and I'm sorry. I will try to fix it as much as I can when I edit this video. So there's your micro version. Next, we have got the weekends collection. So we've got 2 Valentine's collections, 1 collection that's an anytime collection, and then 1 that is winter. It's definitely not Christmas, it's just completely winter. I wasn't gonna do any more winter kits, but I feel like we still have a long time, like we're not even in winter yet, so I may do a few more. Mom's nodding in agreement from her chair. So this is the weekend collection. This is silver foil, and I thought this was a really, really cute set of artwork. So your box here says weekend vibes. You've got this cute robe, this bed, the boba tea here, the sleeping mask, and then this really cute scene. So that is the foiling. Again, I'm sorry that you guys can't really see it. When I take photos to put on the website, I'm going to try to take those in better lighting and see if I can like hide under a desk or something so there's not such bright light. So we've got that, and then here is your second sheet with your boxes, your heart checklist, your functionals. Next sheet, headers, washi, and then here is your bottom washi, which again I think is so cute. So you've got this pillow here, and then it says Lazy Days in silver foil. You've got your bow washi, your date covers, and then for the micro version of the kit, we have got these 3 boxes, and then you've got your washi and everything too. And then the last collection, this is called Aurora, and this is holographic foil. When I saw this art, I just really wanted to use it. So you guys can let me know too in the comments if you're done with winter kits or if you would like to see a few more. And then we will have one more Valentine's collection. I don't know if I'm gonna go completely Valentine's with it or not, but Emily wanted me to do the red and black Star Wars artwork from Coffee Doodles that is technically Valentine's. So I am gonna do that, hopefully. I don't think we're gonna have releases next week, it'll just depend, but if we don't, then that'll be out with the next release if you're looking for that art. So there will be at least one more Valentine's collection. So these are the boxes for Aurora. How cute is that little snow globe? And I really love the colors in this kit. So your second page here, if we can focus, has got your boxes, checklist and banners. Next sheet has got your headers and your washi, and then your last sheet has got your bottom washi. Look at this bottom washi. I love how this turned out so much. And then here is the micro version of the kit. Hollow foil is doing really well in this lighting. It's just the silver and the rose gold. So yeah, that is that. I think that's it, you guys. So everything is loaded on the website if you want to preload your carts. I will be changing the images for these to include the actual photos, but they are up there right now with just the stock images. Oh, I forgot to mention, I should have made a list before I sat down. So I want to show you guys really quickly. I was able to add Klarna onto our website, which I am so excited about. Klarna is what Etsy uses. It's very similar to Afterpay. So what it is you can click learn more right here and it can tell you all of that. Or whenever you go to checkout, any order over $10, you can split into 4 payments. So I'm gonna show you guys just really quickly. So I've got like the weekend mini kit and it'll pop up right here so you can, so you can see it says 4 interest-free payments available for orders of 10 or more. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how to do it. So you'd click checkout and then, oh, I'm gonna have to go all through this to get to it, am I not? Yep, I sure am. Let's see if it'll let me get through just because it's gonna recognize that I'm me on my own website. Yeah, okay, well, maybe it's not gonna let me. One second, let me put my stuff in and see if that lets me do it. Okay, so once I put in all of my information, it gives me the option. There's credit card, there's PayPal, or down here is buy now, pay later with Klarna. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna hit, hopefully this doesn't work, but I'm gonna hit complete order. I do have all my stuff saved. So it's gonna redirect you over to Klarna. Orders blocked as alternative Shopify payment. Oh, I've still got this, I'm sorry, I've still got the site in test mode, so that's why. But after I turn that on, which I'll do before the sale starts, you guys will be able to use Klarna for the payments. It'll pop up through them. It'll tell you what your payments are gonna be and all of that. If I've used Klarna for other things before. If you shop on Etsy, there's a possibility you have used Klarna, I can't speak. But it's very similar to Afterpay, or what's one of the other big ones? I'm trying to think. The only ones that I've used are Afterpay, Klarna, and I've used Affirm before, but that's generally for like big purchases. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, I've been asked quite often for Afterpay. I did get approved to do Afterpay in the shop, went through all of it with PayPal, was on the phone with them, and they told me that in order to offer it, we could not do oops bags. They said there couldn't be any mystery items, so that's why we're going with this one. And after seeing Etsy use it, and again, I've used it myself, I decided that I'm totally fine with doing Klarna versus Afterpay. So anyway, long ramble, but if you are interested in that, that is now available on the website. That is something I've been asked for a really long time. So I'm really happy that we got something set up and in time for Thanksgiving weekends. Anyways, guys, so leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. If you are shopping this weekend, please let me know where down in the comments. I am definitely going to be heading over to Little Miss Papery to pick some stuff up. And then I'm going to be checking out Biosense, Youth to the People, and Pharmacy for skincare. I try to always buy my skincare at this time of the year so I can get it really cheap. So yeah, you guys let me know. It doesn't have to be sticker related. Let me know where you're shopping. Online is where I'm shopping. I don't think I mentioned that, but I'm not going to be going out and doing it. I'm just going to be doing it online. But anyway, let me know down in the comments below.
Disney.
Oh, Mom would like everybody to know that she is going to be shopping on Disney's website. So anyway, guys, let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.